Hi there! Shocker, today I'm doing my brows on camera because I received this Gimme Brow volumizing pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. It's a new launch, it's a new kind of pencil that they released and I'm really curious to try it out. So that's what we're going to do today. This is the pencil. I have here the shade 3. It's a classic pencil like this, and on the other side it also has a spoolie. So this is the shade 3 and this is how it looks like. It's my first time swatching it. Actually, the shade looks fine. Usually the shade 3 is a little bit too warm for me, but this looks alright. I like the tip, I like the fact that it's a little bit firm. I usually prefer this kind of a firmer texture for my brows because I just don't like waxy eyebrow pencils. It seems like it lasts pretty well as well, so it's not that easy to fade. I'm gonna use the spoolie side and comb my brows upwards. Well, actually just angling them. I can't really comb them upwards, they don't grow upwards, unfortunately. I would love for them to do that, they just don't. Then I'm gonna take the pencil, now that it's sharpened, I'm gonna use it to draw some hair strokes in the front. And then I'm gonna fill in. I'm usually concentrating on the outer half of my brow, and I also have some issues in my tail, so I'm gonna fill that in as well. Again, I really like the formula. It's the perfect texture. It almost feels a bit dry and I really enjoy that. I feel like that gives you a little bit more precision on how you draw the brow. Oh, that actually did make them look fuller. I think it's that almost powdery finish that it has that just adds volume into the brow. Well, isn't that pretty? I'm also going to set them, and I'll use the same brand, Benefit, and use the 24-hour brow setter. This brow gel is really good. As far as brow gels go, I usually use hair gel for my brows. You can also use this to stick your brows to your face if you want to do that. Usually for me, when I want to do that, I use the hair gel. With the brow gel, I just comb them upwards to define the hairs and make them look a little bit more full. And we love a little before and after. I think this is really cool, I love it. Especially if you're not into retractable pencils and you want a more classic version, I feel like this is really good. I like the formula, I like the shade. Yeah, it just does the job quickly. And I'm pretty sure that this will last so much more than a retractable pencil. Usually those, especially the Precisely My Brow, it finishes really quickly. Like, that's the only downside. I really love the Precisely My Brow, but it's a little bit too little product in that because it's thin and it just like a month tops and it's gone. I feel like this one will last so much longer, especially because it's firm and you don't need a lot of product to fill in the brows. Well, that being said, I recommend this pencil. I finished off my brows with this pencil. I really enjoy it. I think it's easy to use, it looks nice, it's fairly long lasting. I think it's a good product altogether, especially again if you're into the classic version of an eyebrow pencil. I think it's a good product. Benefit always does amazing brow products, so nothing new here. Let me know if you tried this product or if you are willing to try it. I hope you found this review useful. Wish you an amazing day and I will see you next time. Bye!